Hello everyone, welcome back to JF Tech Hub and in Network Corner, and today we're going to discuss about IP address. What is IP address? This is short form of Internet Protocol address. That is IP address. We can define it by saying this is unique number assigned to each device is connected to a network. Once a device connected to the network, it will be assigned with a number. It will be assigned with a number, and that number will be unique. That is IP address. It acts like a digital address, allow devices to identify each other and communicate each other. So devices can easily identify to each other by using these protocols. And these protocols, we have two main protocols. Number one, we have IPv4, uses 32 bits and allow around the 4.3 billion address. And the by since IPv4 it was having only 4.3 billion address. Fearing this IP address to be full, they introduced IPv6 that use 128 bits and allow much larger number for address. And this IP address can be assigned static, fixed or manually. You can assign your device a static IP address, and you can assign it by using the HCP saver. This will be automatically dynamic. It means it will change over time. Once your device is signed out, sign out, and you sign in again to your network, it will be given another IP address. IP address. Example here, my computer have been connected to the router. As you see here, it having internet access. And how I can identify the IP address of my devices. My devices have been assigned which IP address. I can go to the setting, you go to menu, you go to setting. To reach to the setting, you go to network and the internet. From network in the internet, you will see you will see the network which you have been connected. Then you go to properties. You check for the properties of that network, and there down to the detail you can see the name SSD, the name of the network connected, protocol, security type. Down here in IPv4 address, this is your assigned IP address. So these devices on this network have been assigned this IP address. That is number one. Number two, simply you can go to control panel. This one, control panel. You go to network and internet. There you go to view network status and the task. There you can see I've been connected to public network. This one, and they have been connected by using Wi-Fi. This one. Once I click it, I can see the details on it, the status, or if it's status. So I go to detail. In detail, you can see the IPv4 address. This one. This is my IP address. So that is how you can see IP address by using GUI, graphic user interface. Another way you can use command prompt. Come here, search CMD. This one run as you run it. Then you write this command ipconfig. You write this command let me write this command ipconfig. You click it. There you will see all network that you have been connected. Example here, I've been connected to wireless LAN adapter, home that one, and my IP address is this one, IPv4 address. So that is how you can see your IP address. Your device have been assigned which IP address on the network.